I'm Dr. Bethany Hoff, Director of Research for the Research Psychology program, and I also teach the Survey Research course elective. From day one of the program, you will begin to work on your final capstone project. The capstone serves as the culmination of your graduate school experience, and it's unique in that it can take several forms. You could opt for a traditional research thesis where you propose a research topic, collect and analyze data, and then synthesize your findings in an APA-style manuscript, which could then be submitted for publication. Or you could write a grant application. This would be useful for multiple professional pathways, not only for those who want to work in the nonprofit sector, but it might also help you secure funding to pursue your PhD. Finally, you could develop a more targeted, applied capstone, such as a program evaluation or other industry-specific project. Your faculty will work with you to develop the capstone that will bolster both your research and professional goals.